check once. Could you record?
Yes, sir. Recording started.
Right. So today we'll see four basic figures, right? So these basic figures are uh, mainly demonstrate you how to use all the drawing instruments, right? So just for practice of the drawing instruments, right? So they have designed four basic figures, and there are many. Actually, four are enough for us, right? So let me draw. Hmm. Now you see, take your drafter, take HB pencil, draw a square of 100 mm. I will show you how to draw. You are supposed to draw in the same way, right? If you are drawing a horizontal line, you are supposed to draw. Uh, you need to start from left and you need to proceed towards right. If it is a vertical line, then you need to start from the top and proceed towards the bottom, right? So that is how you are supposed to draw horizontal and vertical line. It gives you the same thickness in its entire length. So that is why we are supposed to start drawing horizontal line starting from left and proceed towards right, and vertical line starting from top and proceed towards bottom, right? Everyone must draw. I will check, right? I will ask you to show what open your video and show me the figures, right? Now, hmm, horizontal line of 100 mm. Okay. See, I've started from left and proceeded towards right. And next vertical line 100 mm is who is 1458. Yes. Now, could you see the video clearly? Is it clearly visible? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. So vertical line, you see 100 mm. Okay. Now, hundred mm. Now, since we have fixed this knob, so it will not change this position, right? So now complete your square by drawing here. Okay, this is how you are supposed to draw square. So I have used HB pencil, right? Now, after this, we are supposed to draw horizontal lines inside the square uh, at each at every 10 mm, right? So first let us mark this 10 mm gap between the horizontal lines. Take your drafter, mark 10 mm distance. 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 9. Okay. So after marking, draw the horizontal lines using HB pencil. You see how I draw, you follow the same thing, right? So that is how you are supposed to draw, right? So this is the first figure in basic figures. After that, we are supposed to give dimensions. Dimensions gives you all the details of that particular figure, right? It will give you uh, details about the shape as well as the size of that particular shape, right? Let us give the dimensions. Listen carefully. Take drafter and 2H pencil. You see, first I want to give dimension for this horizontal length, right? So now what I have to do is I have to take my drafter scale and extend the end of that length. See, extend it by using 2H pencil. It should be very light, and this side also you extend. Sorry. Okay, now after extending, you are supposed to draw a 10 mm line from that length, from this line, right? Parallel line, 10 mm. Take 10 mm. You see, this is 10 mm gap. You could see here, and draw the horizontal line between those two extension lines. So now this is your dimension line. So after getting your dimension line, you draw arrows. You see how I am drawing the arrows. While drawing the arrows, you take from here to here, this length more, and this length less. You join like this. This is how you are supposed to draw the arrow. Okay, now this side you say from here to here you take more length, and this length should be very less. Okay, now after that simply you join, and next fill it. So that is how we are supposed to draw dimension line and arrows. After that, you are supposed to write dimension number at the center of your dimension line, near the center or exactly at the center. We will write only dimension number, not dimension unit. Units we are not supposed to write on the drawing sheet. Is it clear? So whatever the figure we are drawing on the sheet, it will indicate only in mm. So 100 means 100 mm. It is self-explanatory. You are not supposed to write mm anywhere. Is it clear? Now we are done with horizontal dimension. Next, let us give the vertical dimension. Extend lines. After that, again 10 mm distance line. You see, 10 mm. 10 mm. Draw the parallel line. Now you draw the arrow. You see this distance more, and arrow should be like this. Next, here this distance is more, and this distance is less. Now, once we are done with this, we are supposed to write the dimension number near the middle of your dimension line. Make sure that your dimension number will not touch your dimension line. Is it clear? There should be little gap, 1 or 2 mm gap between your dimension number and dimension line. So once we are done with this, next we are supposed to give dimension for those parallel lines. Anyone? See, I'm extending this. Next, go to top and extend this. Okay. Now, take 10 mm distance and draw the dimension line. So there is a difference between this dimension and this dimension. Here it is 100 and we have more space which can accommodate your arrows as well as dimension number. But here you see there is a small space here. So it can accommodate either number or arrows, but not both. So for that reason, we will draw arrows outside and indicate dimension number inside. You see. Draw the arrow very sharp. Okay, na? Next, write the dimension number. 10 mm. Now, always remember that if it is a horizontal dimension, then that number will be above your dimension line. If it is a vertical one, it will be left side of your dimension line. You see, left side of your dimension line. Is it clear or do you have any doubt, students? You must respond. You need to be active. Are you following or not?
Yes, sir.
What about others?
Following, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So after drawing this shape, you take drafter scale and draw parallel lines of 5 mm distance. You see how I will draw. Take 2H pencil. Okay. Two 5 parallel lines of 5 mm distance. In that, we are supposed to write name for that figure. This name we are supposed to write below the figure. Remember, we are not supposed to write above. We are supposed to write below the figure, right? So what is the name? Basic figure 1. So like this, you are supposed to write. So this is how you are supposed to draw. So I will wait for 1 minute. Try to complete it. And if you have any doubt, meanwhile, please ask. I will ask to show your drawings at the end of the class. So draw along with me. Is it completed? Shall I move to the next figure? Why don't you people respond? Are you done or not? Just say yes or no.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Okay, okay, I'll wait. So meeting will end in 10 minutes. And after that, once again, you are supposed to log in with the same link. So shall I start the second figure? Right. Thank you. Second figure is also same. First, we are supposed to draw 10 mm, 100 mm square. First, all of you draw 100 mm square with your drafter scale. You see how I am drawing, observe and simultaneously draw. once we are done with drawing square, next we are supposed to draw the vertical lines, right? So first let us put the marking for 10 mm at each and every 10 mm distance. You see, observe how I am putting the marks and drawing the vertical lines. Observe and draw. So after marking, simply draw vertical lines. Okay. After that, we are supposed to give dimensions. Dimensions, once again, listen carefully, right? How I am drawing the dimensions. Observe and draw in the same manner. Horizontal dimension is done. Now I am going to draw the vertical dimension. Now the smaller one, you see how I am drawing the smaller one. Extending this and this. Taking 10 mm. And drawing the what? Dimension line. So since we don't have any space to draw arrows and also to draw the dimension number, in smaller cases, we'll draw the arrows outside. Next, dimension number. So this is the second figure. You see, horizontal dimension number must be above the dimension line. You see, above the dimension line. And once we are done with the main figure, next we are supposed to write name. We are supposed to label our figure. So for that, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to draw 5 mm parallel lines. The distance between these two lines must be 5 mm. And after that, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to write name. What is name? Basic figure 2. You are supposed to write neatly in capital letters only. Okay. This is the second figure. Any doubts? Please ask. If you're done, let me know so that I will move on to the third one. I will wait for 1 minute. Complete in 1 minute and draw with your instruments. Don't simply copy the figure. Drawing along with me. If you're having any doubts, please ask. Completed?